Did you know that 90% of businesses fail simply because they did not validate their business ideas before jumping in? But what if you could be the 10% of businesses that actually win and do this super quickly and have a running landing page and marketing within less than 1 hour? Are you ready to see how that's done? Follow along and watch episode 3 of my journey towards making $3,000 a month within the next 6 months. Originally, I'd done like a day-by-day kind of program, but I decided that's probably not the best way. And instead, I'm just going to do parts because like over the weekends, I'm busy doing other things. So the day went and I probably thought about the business, but I didn't actually act on it. So this is part 3. So over the last 2 parts, we've kind of discussed some of the thoughts I've had around building a business. And over the last 2 parts, I kind of discussed starting off a service-based business for a specific niche, doing kind of all-in performance-based marketing from websites, SEO, marketing, AI chatbots, and everything like that. And I've had some time to really think about this over the last couple of days. And while that's a very great business where you can make significantly more money per customer, but the amount of effort it takes per customer also is very high. It doesn't scale infinitely because it's really dependent on your time. So you could scale your marketing with Google Ads or cold email or LinkedIn outreach or anything. But the actual number of people you can service is minimal based on your time and your ability to hire people or to use AI to do these processes. And I actually want to have something that's scalable, which I can spend a lot of effort building once and just repeat iteratively. So now getting back to this point of this video, what I actually want to build is a piece of software. I kind of have an idea, but I'm not going to share exactly what it is. I'll share, of course, the behind the scenes in the background of me building it, but probably not the exact idea, simply because, with how easy it is to replicate ideas, execution is mostly important, of course, but of course also just keeping some of that knowledge base. But I will share the whole process, the marketing, but maybe just not the exact things and like the URL or the business or my clients or anything like that. So okay, now jumping into actually this whole idea of validation. So as I was thinking about building an agency essentially, I was like, okay, I can go through the whole process of finding out the services I want to build, building up a website, the copy, starting to do practice and all of these things. But actually, what if people have no interest for this? I've done this whole process for no reason. The same thing applies for e-commerce products. Let's say you want to sell something, you go on Alibaba, you source it, you do the whole process, you design it, you get it shipped to you. When it comes to sell it, nobody actually wants it. Nothing hurts more than that. And of course, also your bank account is affected. But what if you could just test something? Like actually just spend an hour to build a simple landing page where people can register interest. And judging off people's interests, and maybe if they ask questions and how willing and ready they are to buy from you, can you actually jump into the next step? So here's the way it gets really great. With Claude, you can actually build anything. This isn't only Claude, but it's any of the AI agents from OpenAI, Gemini, or Claude. Although I'll say Claude is probably the best. So it kind of goes into 3 steps. Number 1 is identifying your business idea, feeding that into Claude, asking it to build your landing page that can work with Cloudflare pages. Oops, I had to say that 3 times. To actually get it hosted for free. And 3, setting up and number 3, setting up your marketing to get some leads into your system. So number 1, of course, identifying your business idea. I'm sure you have lots of business ideas. This actually helps you identify the ones that actually make sense. So just simply with the prompt I've put down below, you can feed in your idea to Claude. You can use this prompt to give you a landing page. That landing page also gives you instructions on how to host it on Cloudflare pages using both your own domain, and it's free as well, which is pretty incredible. Then when it comes to the actual marketing, I'd say for running a test like this, you have a few options. Number 1, you can try some really cheap Facebook ads for like $5, Google ads as well. Or also you can do some cold outreach. You can find a lead list or generate a lead list of potential businesses, especially if you're doing a B2B, to identify if people actually have an interest for it. And essentially what you're trying to gauge is if anybody is actually interested in this product or service before diving in and spending hundreds of hours. So let me show you one that I quickly made. It took me less than 5 minutes with Claude to actually get this up and design. So here you can see a very simple web page that I was able to design in less than 5 minutes. It shows what the product does, the features, shows you, helps you to sign up for. So somebody could just simply put in their details, send it over. This would be hosted on my Cloudflare for free. I have to say again, for free, which is so amazing. Getting hosting for free is incredible. You can add a limited number of sites and domains, which is amazing. You can buy a cheap domain or Namecheap or GoDaddy, and you keep pushing it along. I know this is quite a quick video, but I just wanted to make a quick video. This is what I had in my mind. And if people are interested, I'm going to make more parts of this as I actually go through the process of doing it for my business. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is part 3. Part 4 is coming out soon, which will actually be more details of me actually doing this for my exact product. And for the prompt that I used to do this, it's down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.